Anna's new day in the city. Chapter 1. The Morning. Anna lives in a big city. Today is Monday. The sun is shining. Anna wakes up at 7 o'clock in the morning. She is very happy. She gets out of bed. Her bed is soft and warm. Anna goes to the bathroom. She washes her face with cold water. She brushes her teeth. Anna walks to her closet. She wants to wear nice clothes today. She puts on a blue shirt. She puts on black pants. She puts on white shoes. Anna looks in the mirror. She smiles. She is ready for the day. Chapter 2. The Coffee Shop. Anna is hungry. She wants to eat breakfast. She opens the door of her house and goes outside. The city is busy. Cars are driving fast. People are walking to work. Anna walks down the street. She sees a small coffee shop. The shop is brown and yellow. Anna opens the heavy glass door. She smells fresh coffee and sweetbread. A tall man is behind the counter. He wears a green apron. "Good morning," the man says. "Good morning," Anna says. "I want a large cup of hot coffee, please. And 1 chocolate bread. That is $5, please," the man says. Anna opens her bag. She gives the man a $5 bill. The man gives her the coffee and the bread. "Thank you. Have a good day," he says. Anna sits at a small table. She drinks her coffee. It is hot and delicious. Chapter 3. The Supermarket. After breakfast, Anna needs to buy food for her house. She walks to the supermarket. The supermarket is very big. It has many lights. Anna takes a red plastic basket. She walks to the fruits. She likes fruits very much. She puts 3 red apples in her basket. She puts 4 yellow bananas in her basket. Then she walks to the vegetables. She wants to make soup for dinner. She buys green spinach. She buys orange carrots. She buys white onions. Next, Anna goes to pay. A young woman is at the cash register. "Hello," the woman says. "Do you need a bag?" "Yes, please," Anna says. Anna pays for her food. She takes her heavy bag and walks out of the supermarket. Chapter 4. A New Friend. Anna walks to the park. The park is quiet and beautiful. She sees tall green trees. She hears small birds singing. Anna is tired. She sits on a wooden bench. She looks at the blue sky. Next to her is another woman. The woman is reading a thick book. The woman looks up from her book. She smiles at Anna. "Hello," the woman says. "My name is Maria." "Hello, Maria," Anna says. "My name is Anna." "It is a beautiful day," Maria says. "Yes, it is very sunny and warm," Anna says. Maria asks, "Do you live in this city?" "Yes, I do," Anna says. "I am new here. I like it very much." "I am a teacher," Maria says. "What do you do?" "I am a student," Anna says. "I study English." "Your English is very good," Maria says. Anna is happy to hear this. Chapter 5. The Evening. It is evening time. The sun goes down. The sky is dark. Anna walks home. She is tired, but she is happy. She opens the door to her house. She turns on the lights. Anna goes to the kitchen. She washes her vegetables. She cuts the carrots and onions. She cooks hot soup on the stove. Anna eats her dinner. The soup is very good. She drinks a glass of water. After dinner, Anna washes her dishes. She cleans the kitchen table. Anna goes to the living room. She reads a book for 1 hour. Then, she is very sleepy. She goes to her bedroom. She puts on her pajamas. She turns off the light. She gets into her warm bed. Today was a good day, Anna thinks. She closes her eyes. She goes to sleep. Tomorrow is a new day. Vocabulary. Wakes up. To open your eyes in the morning and stop sleeping. Closet. A small room or space where you hang your clothes. Busy. Having a lot of things happening. Many cars and people. Counter. The long table in a shop where you order and pay. Apron. Clothing you wear over your shirt to keep it clean while working or cooking. Cash register. The machine in a store that holds the money. Bench. A long seat for 2 or more people, often found in a park. Stove. The machine in the kitchen used for cooking hot food.
Learn English with LELTA. Lanka English Language Training Academy.